Mum, I've been very creative in the kitchen.
I've already had lunch.
I'm not cooking, it's our new Bingley kitchen deal.
I'm chomping at the bit now.
A bonus Woolworths gift card worth up to $300 with selected cooking appliances, dishwashers and wine cabinets.
That is creative, Lionel.
I told you.
Tell me again.
A bonus Woolworths gift card worth up to $300 with selected cooking appliances, dishwashers and wine cabinets at Bingley.
Our specials in the kitchen right now at Bingley.
Australian family owned for over 60 years. Conditions apply.
Sun, saltwater, dry winds can all lead to unsightly aged skin. Skin Exquisite can take years off your face with their state-of-the-art treatments. With years of experience, their highly qualified staff tailor treatments for your specific needs. And it's not just for women, it's for guys too. Call 65841770 for a free private consultation. Skin Exquisite, 57 Lake Road, Port Macquarie. Skin Exquisite, inner beauty, outer radiance.
Fredericton, just north of Kempsey, is famous for many things. If you ask the locals, the heart and soul of the place is the Fredericton News Agency. It's also a post office where you can pay your bills 7 days a week. And you can buy homemade pies, fresh sandwiches and coffee, whether you're on the go or taking a break in Freddo. Open weekdays 6 to 6 and weekends from 7 till 5. Julie and the team will look after you. At the Fredericton News Agency, it's worth getting off the highway.
FM 93.5, Radio 531. Voice of the Mid-North Coast.
Podcast Marcus Paul in the morning at any time. Go to 2sm.com.au and click the show page.
Okay, we're off to the newsroom soon. Wendy, are you there, Dale?
I am, Marcus, I am. I'm with you on the statement you made. If people think I'm a racist, too bad. I wasn't brought up like this, but unfortunately people have made me this way. It saddens me. I was born in this country. I'm glad my late parents aren't around to see this. They'd be horrified. I went shopping last Friday. I couldn't get tuna, cereal, biscuits, cleaning, sanitising or paper products, meat, chicken. 2 supermarkets in our local plaza. Neither of them had a dozen eggs between them.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. I mean, I couldn't get a T-bone steak last week.
Hang on, Mark. And washing powder.
Yeah.
And no, not even sunlight. So what do you wash your clothes with?
Yeah. I mean,
is the government checking these containers going out of this country?
Well, they should be, Wendy. You're absolutely right. And I don't mean to cut you short, sweetie, but the news is on its way. Well said, and at least I think we're not alone in our thoughts on this. It's high time that the federal government crack down on these Chinese and otherwise Daigous. They have no place in our society, and we're really sick to the back teeth. It started off, of course, being baby formula, and now it's extended to other goods and services at a time when we need products here for us.
FM 93.5, Radio 531 Community Diary, powered by Hastings Co-op, Cedar and Lassie Andrew service stations, offering driveway service with a smile every weekday from 8 till 4.
Soul Integrity is proud to introduce Revere shoes. Revere orthotic-friendly sandals and shoes provide all-day support for those experiencing tired, aching feet, heel pain, sore knees and lower back pain. Revere sandals are designed for maximum adjustability to support many foot types. All Revere shoes have a removable footbed to accommodate custom-made orthotics. For Soul Integrity store locations and to check out Revere sandals and shoes, visit Soul, S-O-L-E, integrity.com.au.
You're a winner with Sport First and Barker. Grab your footy boots now along with headgear, shoulder pads, shin guards and mouth guards. Running shoes from Brooks, Asics, New Balance and Adidas. Plus activewear from Lord & Jane.